today is the Ducati week. Yan na, syempre, kasama natin si DJ.
Hello.
Di Renzo. Ano meron tayo guys ngayon?
Today, no waswas, ha?
No waswas. This is a Ducati week. So no waswas. So you tell me.
No, this is We Ride as One.
We Ride as One. So
today, all Ducati stay from all over the world will be riding as one. What does that mean? Every Ducati owners club in the world, and now here we are at the OCP, of course, Ducati Philippines, we have a little ride to celebrate our love for Ducati. At the same time, it's a ride to get together and build excitement for the upcoming World Ducati Week.
Yes. Perfect. Yeah. So we're not just doing it here in Manila. So in Cebu, we're doing it all in the same morning in Davao, Cagayan de Oro, and
Zamboanga.
So, and all over the world, Italy, Germany, America. So all the Ducatis here all around the world will be riding all as one on this day, May 4.
Yan ang Ducati Ride as One. We Ride as One. Yan. Hinday natin ang race ni our champ. So next week yan, di ba champ? Next week. So punta kayo sa BRC. BRC, that is our first leg. And you competing with your brother. And I heard you having a good lap time there. Yeah. So let's see guys. And next week kita tayo sa BRC.
Yes. And then we have a lot of events. So after the race, we have the track day. So after the track day, we have a lot, man. Almost every week for the next few months, Ducati is gonna be busy.
Okay, I will be posting all the detail about all our events, so you can also join with us. So here is mga malapit, brother. Yun, mga North boys are here, Yun,
How are you, brother?
Aga mo bro malapit ka lang, walking distance ka, tapos ikaw na late. Walking distance lang kayo ito walking distance ka lang, tapos late ka na.
Hindi, nandito na ako kanina, kaso natulog ako doon. Ang tagal mo ang tagal mong dumating. Kaya,
coach?
Morning, bakit ngayon ka lang, Nudge?
Yun,
Morning.
So,
maaga yan si Nudge.
Yan, ready.
4 o'clock pa lang, nasa meeting place sa Manila.
Yes, alam mo na. Fast to arrive yan.
Kami, mga taga rito kami, so dapat late kami.
Ganon. Ito rin, 5 o'clock doon, galing sa Iloilo pa.
Kaya lang, taga rito, Clark ang bagsak na. Iloilo to Clark. Di Ducati North.
Bro, yung next week, race yan.
Next week, Batangas, it's race weekend. So,
Okay.
be there.
Yeah, Zero to Podium, ilan ang mga riders natin ngayon?
Around 12 races.
12 races. So, support natin si our Zero to Podium and Coach Joy. Grabe, puno-puno. Siyempre, here is the RS. So, hintayin nyo na lang guys. You will be seeing this bike on my channel next week. So, RS here. So, all the bikes are here. We will be taking off in few minutes. Malupit na Mr. DQ is here. Long time no see, brother.
Hindi na tayo nabutan, ha?
Matagal na, hindi tayo nakita, bro. Sobrang busy ka na naman.
Ito, busy mo, hindi ka tayo nabutan doon. Dito na tayo nabutan. Nasaan yung drone mo?
Asan ang drone ko?
Hindi ko alam, ano nangyari sa bagong drone mo?
Was din sa drone ko. Ito si yan ang idol ko guys. Jay Mendoza is here.
Good morning, good morning.
Hindi siya na DQ, pero ito DQ na yan, Mr. DQ. Mr. DQ.
Wala na.
Wala na. Ito kasama natin na marami ng mga idols natin.
Dalawan to, hindi sila first to arrive ngayon.
First to arrive sa buffet.
Fresh na lang.
Fresh to arrive. Fresh to arrive. Yan.
Yan ang breakfast natin.
Yan. How are you?
Good, brother.
You riding?
I'm trying to, if you can call it riding.
Willie and Endo.
Willie boy. Here is mga malupit na mga idols natin, yun lahat sila dito. Ito, wala nang invite, puro ka nang ride, wala nang kang invite. Ayaw man nang invite doon.
Ayaw. Basta tama ka na lang.
Bakit ayaw ma-invite sa akin?
Baka may ebidensya.
Yun AJ is here guys. Bakit hindi ka na-invite sa ride mo?
Lagi kita in-invite Ikaw busy. Ikaw lagi busy.
Ikaw din, busy
Miss ka na namin.
Ito, kasama natin si motor ni Juan ito. Idol ko yan. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa ng buhok yan guys.
Wala nang pag-asa yun.
Don't expect.
Always sunny pag kasama ako.
Glossy.
Sunshine.
Glossy head. Yan. So dito, kasama natin ang mga idols niyan. Yan. Marami sila dito. Marami din ang mga motor dito guys. Puno-puno na yung mga Ducati boys here today. As you can see, grabe puno-puno na yung mga Ducati boys. Red Planet na. On the way pa yung mga iba. Panis. All the Ducati boys are here. Dami ng Ducati. Puno-puno na yung Ducati today. Yun kamusta? Sir. Yun ito yan mga malupit
Hello, Idol Nudge.
Wag ka na lang sabihin ng idol 3 years na kahit na 3 years na kahit na isang beses hindi ka na invite sa akin sa ride mo.
Nagilang message na ako sa'yo.
Walang kwenta yun ito walang kwenta. Dati sabi ko malupit ito pero walang kwenta. Hindi sila invite sa akin
Nagilang message na ako na mag-ride tayo, hindi mo ako
papansin. Hindi na never ka na message sa akin. Kamusta po sir? Kamusta po?
Nice lang.
Ito mabait yan ito.
Siyempre.
Mabait yan. Mabait.
Nagilang message na ako, Nudge, ride tayo. Simpson lang.
Hindi mo na-invite. Dati alam nyo yan, mga senioritos, dati malupit yan. Pero hindi na malupit ngayon.
Hello, nagkamali ata.
Yan, nakasama natin siyempre, mistake.
Hi, Nudge!
Ano yung bagong owner yan ito? Hintayin nyo na lang. RS yan, RS yan, sana all. Brandy lang sa kalap.
Lupit talaga.
Ikaw, ano ba bili mo, brother? Hindi siya Ducati. Hindi siya Ducati boy. Yan, syempre. Kasama natin our boss Francis. Ano ba page natin ngayon, brother? FPJ Vlogs. Ano yan?
Follow mo.
Ano ba page mo bro?
FPJ Vlogs, follow mo.
FPJ Vlog. Flash ko na lang yung page niya guys. follow nyo na lang. Siyempre,
Binibidyo kita.
kasama natin siyempre. Orion! Yan. Yun, mga malipit.
Okay, so everybody here, everyone, welcome to the 2024 We Ride as One. So last night we checked, we have over 300 attendees for today. So give yourselves a round. So today, guys, we're gonna take off from Ducati Clark, and our venue is the new Clark City Athletic Stadium. So from here, we will be guided by new CDC enforcers, Clark Development Corporation enforcers. Guys, please don't overtake the enforcers. So we won't stop at any traffic lights. So ano tayo, nakaradyo na tayo in all the traffic lights. So ang daan natin, we're gonna make a U-turn here once our motorcade takes off. Iba-block nila itong buong kalsada para maka-U-turn tayo lahat. And then we go all the way towards Clark International Speedway. And then papunta tayo ng Clark North exit. And then before Clark North exit, there will be a rotonda. We will turn left going to the new Sacobia Bridge.
Yan na boys, as you can see behind me, so many bikes are there. Puno-puno. Everybody is going to line up. And then we are going to the places. So it's like a motorcade lang. Wala nang hataw-hataw dito. Just a chill ride with the mga malipit. Ayan na, let's go boys. As you can see, loaded with the Ducati boys here for today. Almost 300 riders in this road. You can see, puno-puno na yung Ducatis dito. How was the ride coming
The ride was smooth as butter, man. So it's that good thing we left early on the dot, 8:30. So it's not as hot. We arrived here about 9:15. So everybody's lining up right now. Some of the guys are already having breakfast. We have breakfast buffet. We have pancakes.
Why these people are having a line up here?
So of course we wanna see who attended and who signed up, no? And then when you attend, of course you get a free Riders One T-shirt. All right. So and then of course you get some stickers, some freebies, and then for those who are here, it's a 40% off sale on apparels, so they can test ride the Multistrada V4 RS, fresh na fresh. So there's a lot of stuff for people who come in.
Okay. So now they will register and they get their free T-shirts and everything, and the free breakfast, and some
raffle later. We have awards, no? Kaya we have a lot for the people who came in with us today.
Yeah.
With us.
Renzo lang sa Calab. Yan marami na mga tao dito.
Photo Pilipinas is also here. Joel Hoya and Rubian Hoya of Motor City News.
And of course, King Senko of 1PH and the Garage King.
Yeah, and of course, our friend right here. John Mendoza, C Magazine, thank you for being here. Johnny Parale of Right PH is here. And of course, Mr. Waswas.
The ultimate Waswas.
The ultimate
Mr. Abdul in the house.
Mr. Abdul in the house. Thank you very much. Tuner Magazine is also here, guys. Welcome, welcome.
Wow, super ganda. I mean, I don't want to find out how much we spent kasi I might get a heart attack. Shut up! Don't miss the moment. It's like walking into a nice restaurant. After you have your nice steak, sarap, di ba? Pag nalaman mo, punyeta 7,000 tong steak na to, pangit na pala, di ba? So now we're enjoying, and yeah, I'm so happy that a lot of people joined. Actually last year I wasn't able to attend, but I attended I was in Riders One in Italy to be Ducati. Sana they can choose your picture para maging hindi ka lang sikat sa Philippines, sikat ka internationally. Okay, kwento lang kwento. So if you have time we have all the time in the world to talk right now. Like for example, possible then kahit wala kang Ducati ang kaya. Si Richard Gutierrez was shirtless, naka-trunks lang. Tapos, totoo naman Sharon Labati had the two-piece, nakasandal sila sa Scrambler in a beach in Pattaya. And they were used worldwide. All the stores. Be more guapo, be more Ducati. Be more maganda. Thank you.
Ano?
Thank you very much.
Here, just be shirtless or in a bikini and it shows up.
Just take it off. Yeah. Oo. Basta medyo may Richard Gutierrez.
Yes, was. Yun Sir Alvin.
Right? So, Trio.
Chismis lang yan, chismis. Puro chismis. Ano bro? Hoy! Ano yan?
Nagpapaalam. Hindi na naglilipas yan.
Ano? President ka ng president, tapos lagi late. Walang kwenta ng president ng MotoGP.
Nauna ako sa'yo dito. Late ka dumating.
Yes.
Hindi ako gusto mag-interview dito.
Ayan na. Ito yung mga malupit na Ducati Monster Club here. Yung president, malupit yan si President June. Malupit, di ba?
Malupit.
Malulupit.
Pet malu. Pet malu
talaga, no?
Lipat malu pet malu.
June lang sa Calab.
Nuts lang sa Calab.
Preview of DCS party.
Yan.
Okay, napapakahal na ako. Huwag ganyan.
Exit mo sa forum mo.
Pogi talaga, ano?
Oo. Siyempre, poging-pogi.
Pero kung matawagin yung partner ko, nahiya ako mag-sound. Si Patrick Orayon, halika dito! Man, Kulang hindi ko kaya sila tatlo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Orion, JP Loha. Sample!
Yan na boys, it was a nice ride with marami na mga Ducati boys. Nice event as usual. All the time when Ducati making events, it will be the best. So we are going back. Kasama natin our idol Jerwin is here. Our idol Jerwin is here. Oh yan, kasama natin yan. So we are going back to Manila. So yan, thank you Ducati for inviting us. It's a nice event, and thank you everyone for joining. And I will see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Peace.